Aimee, who wants to be a pretty woman,
Oh, look, like Julia Roberts.
arrives in the beauty capital of the world, L.A.,
This is a huge place.
and the palatial makeover mansion.
Dreams really do come true, and I'm so excited about the transformation. I can't wait to look in the mirror and smile so big that my cheeks hurt.
Aimee's fantasy continues the very next morning.
Hi, I'm Dr. Moelleken. I initially was not going to take her as a patient because people who smoke, I don't do this surgery on them. How are you doing on the smoking?
I have quit.
Totally?
I totally quit smoking altogether.
Excellent. Why don't we go over the things that bother you?
I'd have to say my eyes, they droop down. My nose kind of went more narrow, and my ears stick out too far.
Fortunately for Aimee, many of the things that bother her, we can fix. We can change the shape of her nose. We can change the structure of her jaw. We can open up the upper eyes and her brow. We can give you more fullness in your face because we can put filling material, actually take your own tissue and make little strips of it called live fill. We can put it into the cheeks and we can put it into this area around the mouth.
But living fill tissue is delicate.
It is so critical that you not smoke. A single cigarette will choke the blood supply and the live fill will die. I think it's fair to say Aimee is the most difficult case probably of my entire professional career.
I'm ready.
And a new day dawns for L.A. and for Aimee.
It's your big day, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, you all ready?
Yeah. I am excited about seeing a different Aimee staring back at me. Now my life is completely going to change.
All right, Aimee, I'm going to take good care of you, I promise.
I'm going off into Winter Wonderland.
A place where Aimee will get some beauty sleep for real. Beginning with a subtle cheek and upper eyelid lift.
The eyes have a downward slant to them. We'll change the angle of the eye at the bottom to make it look less sad.
Ears lifted with a brow lift.
It is just amazing how much skin I had to remove. It's about as much skin as in a 75-year-old woman.
To set her ears back requires a steady hand and a nimble body.
I'm practically standing on my head for this stitch. Keep your fingers crossed on this one. Oh, we got it. We got it.
And her flat nose needs to rise like a pup tent.
We're going to prop it up with a little tent pole out of the cartilage that I took from her ear. Many of the things we're doing it's sort of uncharted.
A chin implant creates a feminine jawline.
She has no chin. It's very far back. I knew this wasn't going to be easy, but I had no idea how hard it was going to be.
An implant of live tissue fills out her narrow face.
And of course I told her, one single cigarette and all the live fill will die.
And breast implants fill out a more womanly figure.
We got a 270cc implant in. I think we got a receipt.
One of Extreme Makeover's most grueling surgeries complete.
No one in the world has ever had this exact combination of surgeries. Surgery went just perfect. I think she's going to be pretty pleased.
Of all the luxuries at the Makeover Mansion, nothing is more treasured than the mirror.
When I look in the mirror, I see things that I haven't had before. It's been a long time.